Well, so far, I mean, what the current understanding of a black hole is that it's sort of it's a region in space where gravity is so strong that not even light can leave it. I mean, if you think about the Earth, on the surface of the Earth, we have what's called an escape velocity, which is equal to 11 kilometers per second. That means that if something is directed upwards with that speed, then it will leave the gravitational field of the Earth and never come back again. Now, a black hole, that's sort of an object, you would say, where the escape velocity is like the speed of light. Now, in fact, what turns the structure of a black hole in general relativity turns out to be very much related to the structure of space and time. So it's like a region in space and time which is so warped and curved that it's impossible to find your way out again. In fact, what happens is that when you reach the boundary, the horizon of the black hole, time, I mean, we always carried on by time. You cannot compete with time. I mean, there's no way to stop time or go back in time. But the point is that when you go inside of the horizon, the direction of time is pointing inwards towards the center of the black hole, where it actually ends, because in the middle, that's sort of where the direction inwards ends. And that means that the way that you're caught by the black hole, it's as powerful as the flow of time itself. So it's as difficult to get out of a black hole as moving backwards in time. That's our current understanding of a black hole. That is what general relativity predicts. And everything that we have seen so far is compatible with that picture. Still, and that is of course why one continues to do all these observations and measurements, is that it could be that there is something else, something different that you will be able to discover when you move really close into the horizon. So we cannot say for sure what's going on. But we know that these objects exist, but we are not quite sure about their real properties. There could be new physics. There could be surprises.